Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K70. In this video I'll show you how to manage special functions of the keyboard. Firstly, let's take a look at the left top corner of the keyboard. Right here we've got the media panel. Press Fn button and this button to stop playback, this button to skip to previous song, this button to play pause, and this button to skip to next track. Now take a look on the buttons from 1 to 0. Thanks to them we can change lighting effect of our keyboard. Next, let's take a look at the top right corner of the keyboard. Right here we've got a button we can roll, thanks to which we can change the volume of our PC, and thanks to this button we can mute or unmute the PC. If you press Fn button and this button, you will lock Windows button. This button allows you to change brightness level of the keyboard, and this button allows you to change the profile. Also, we've got buttons here. Thanks to Fn plus this button, we can reset to onboard stored effect. Thanks to this button, we can reduce speed effect. Thanks to this button, we can increase speed effect. Thanks to this button, we can also change the rotate effect to left and to right. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.